Rahim. This is KPPC Botany Test Advertisement number 6. Botany Lecture Art Test. There were total 45 MCQs in this test. I have solved all the tests in this video. Maybe there will be some pronunciation error as I am not a biologist, so forgive. Ornithology is the study of bird. Study of living organism out of earth is exobiology. Chemically, chlorophyll is organic. Endocytosis of liquid is pinocytosis. Plastid involved in pollination is chromoplast. Resemblance in cycads and Adiantum motile Sexually reproduction in Chlorophycia is all are correct. Resurrection plant Seliginella is the answer. Meiosis in Dryopteris take place during spore formation. Ectopolic Siponos Tili is found in Equestum and Osmunda. Parasitic nature of Coscota total stem. In maize, fibrous root develop from lower node. Type of Dahlia root is fasciculated. Vegetative reproduction in Colocasia is corm. Zigzag inflorescence is also called scorpoid. Smallest flower is found in Wolfia microscopia. Large color holes in Bougainvillea flower is breaked. Gynobasic style is found in family Limiaceae. Seed dispersion in Ruellia tuberosa take place through jaculator mechanism. Seed dispersion through papas take place in family Asteraceae. Plants growing in nitrogen deficient area are insectivorous. Gray spots on oat plant is due to which mineral? Mn. List of micronutrients in plant is Cl, Fe, B, Mn, Zn, Co, Mo. Assimilating power of photosynthesis is ATP, Na, DPH. Photosynthesis processed up to limit of temperature और लिमिट ऑफ लाइट. इसको करेक्ट करें कि इसका आंसर लिमिट ऑफ टेम्परेचर आता है या लिमिट ऑफ लाइट आता है. कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख ले 25 का. Granzi anatomy is found in C4. Much mass flow hypothesis is about moment of shape. Mineral necessity for the synthesis of chlorophyll is magnesium. Carbon dioxide fixation in C4 plant take place in initial in mesopyle and then bundle sheath. Hill reaction take place during Persianid presence. Glycolysis is also named as EMP pathway. Krebs cycle take place in mitochondrial matrix. Activator for carboxylase TCA cycle. The answer is Mn. Function of fumarase enzyme. The answer is fumarate to mylate. ATP. This is E go through cytochrome. ये 35 नंबर इस तरह है. ड्यूरिंग ATP synthesis इलेक्ट्रॉन passes through which one of the following. और इसका आंसर है साइटोक्रोम. यूनिवर्सल H+ acceptor is NAD. Final electron acceptor during ATC is oxygen. If respiratory substrate is rich in oxygen, RQ will be greater. RQ of substrate rich in protein 0.8. Effect of wounding on respiration in plant increase than normal. Competitive inhibitor for succinic dehydrogenase Malin 8. Aerobic respiration is appropriately termed as empibolic. TPP stand for thiamine pyrophosphate. Number of साइटोक्रोम इन्वॉल्व इन ETC. ये कहे पे 6 लिखा है और कहे पे 4 लिखा है. इसको भी कंफर्म करके आप लोग कमेंट में लिखे. नंबर ऑफ साइटोक्रोम इन्वॉल्व इन ETC. हाउ मेनी साइकोट्रोम आर इन्वॉल्व इन द इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन. लीफ फॉल occurs when the content of pytochrome. इसका जवाब है pytochrome. So it was the end of the lecture. Like this video and subscribe my channel.